Popping shit in here? Or what's going on? You popping shit?
Nobody.
Say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, ooh, girl, you know what.
What's good, y'all? I'm back better than ever. Excuse me, I had to unzip. I'm back, y'all. I'm back on YouTube. I know it's been a very long time. I just needed a minute to recoup, and yeah, get it together. It's been a little rough, you know? "2025 started off with, you know, your girl in a little bit of a chokehold, and then, you know, things just got a little rough. Yeah, things was just not going right. And, you know, eventually it really turned around for the better. And I had to take that minute to just sit in that and just live in the moment and not worry about content or any of that. Just worry about me and my life and what I got going on. But now I'm back. I am headed out to meet with my sister and my son news because we are going to see Disney on Ice. Yes. Their uncle provided them with some tickets. That was so nice of them. And I'm super excited for them. Do I want to spend my day? Do I want to spend my last day off from work surrounded with a bunch of kids? No. But with my son news, absolutely. I'm here for it. So yes, let's see what Disney on Ice is giving today. Ow. And I don't have none. It's freezing. It's cold.
And she cannot bear. So you almost help her create waves so she can sex in. Who is that girl? Oh, that's right. It's Moana.
You're silent. Everything is by design. Please be happy.
Okay, you're welcome. Welcome,
You came back.
Get the heart to the spiral!
Amazing. Experiment 626 sure knows how to rock.
Oh, thank you. Tickles!
What color is the sky, mi amor, mi amor? You tell me that it's red, mi amor.
What kind of games? There's no games. So bye-bye. Are you enjoying the show? Are you enjoying the show, 3-3?
I'm proud of me.
Huh? Are you enjoying the show? They're just so busy looking around at everything. You what? What show? There's more show. No, up there is the bathroom. Yeah, they're gonna do another show. Right now they're taking what we call intermission. They're taking a break. And then they're gonna come back. Okay? It's not finished yet. The show is not finished yet. You know what that's called? Disney on Ice. You having fun? Right? You're not scared, right? No. What were you excited to see? Did you see Buzz Lightyear and Woody? Yeah. Did you see Stitch? They are slightly overstimulated. Yeah. They're observing the entire room right now. There's a lot going on in here. And hopefully their mommy finds the Stitch cotton candy. They're probably $20 a bag. You know?
That was great. Thanks again, everyone, for your help. Did you see Stitch chase those pirates?
Oh, yeah, that Stitch is out of this world. Look, those pirates got so scared, they forgot their chairs.
Looking for under the sea, under the sea. Somewhere is wet, somewhere is wet. Take it from me. Hey everybody, so it's another day. It's actually the weekend, and we are preparing for a huge snowstorm supposed to be coming in. They are anticipating ice, extreme cold, wind, and possibly power outages, and I'm praying. Matter of fact, I better go put my portable charger to charge right now. But yeah, I hope no outage happens because nobody got time for that. But I'm about to make breakfast and get my day started. I'm not even going outside because it says 10 degrees, -6. Listen, what is that even? Are we in the North Pole? No. So let's go get breakfast started and see what this weather's going to be giving this weekend. As long as we get to stay home Monday, I'm good. That's all I want, is to stay home Monday. You know how to do it so well. You should.
You burnt that?
I burnt what? Listen.
Watch out.
I like a little crunch in my.
Oh,
and you got me eating turkey bacon, so I need a little crunch in my life.
I don't burn it.
I just got kicked out of the
No,
kitchen.
you didn't, because I'm gone.
No, you said you was gonna do it. You're not gonna. Cause you said you make it better, so go ahead. You're not gonna do it?
No, I'm not. You ain't getting in your way. I'll hold the phone. You want me to hold the phone? I'll be your tripod.
Bitch.
Who gives a fuck? Let's go.
A texture thing for me.
Popping shit in here? Or what's going on? You popping shit?
Nobody's popping shit. I'm talking to my audience.
Is that what you're doing?
Minding my business. Because you don't want to do nothing for me. You don't want to take over.
Don't believe her. I'm always making breakfast. This is what I do. But today she decided to come in here and do what she do. Do it.
Because he want to be up 7 o'clock in the morning having a whole powwow while nigga trying to sleep.
Don't
So now
knock
I'm
me
up.
because I want to wake up early and talk to you.
You want to judge how I make shit, but then don't.
I did not judge.
Yes, you did.
I did not.
Yes,
I did. What did I say? What did I say? Repeat it. Repeat it. What did I say?
Let me be.
Repeat it. What did I say?
I make them better anyway.
That was talking shit. That's not what. I was just talking shit.
When you talk shit, you gotta back it up. So
I have.
Get in the field.
So you try to tell me. So you think it? So who's better? Whose breakfast is better? Mine
So,
is.
try to see this unintentional. Y'all see the shape? I promise you, a heart pops up on the daily.
It's like the fourth time.
The fourth time, random, not intentional. You see the heart? They probably like, that look like a kidney bean.
Sometimes people's vision be different though.
Yes, it do. Well, what do you know? They wasn't lying. It's going down. We are indeed in the middle of a snowstorm, y'all. And we got the day off tomorrow, so I'm happy. It's definitely a snowstorm out there, everybody. Y'all stay safe, y'all stay warm. I'm about to be snowed in. My man. I'm about to enjoy this, and we gonna got no school tomorrow. I'm loving this. Y'all stay safe out there.